So the free AI tool that we're going to use today is called TensorArt. I'm going to leave the link down in this video description. Now, once you go to this website, you're going to have to create your free account. So it's very easy to do that. You're going to have to either use your Google or Discord account to sign in. And then what we're going to have to do next is simply here on the left side, we're going to have to click on AI tools and then simply search for text to video and then simply press the search button. Then we're going to have to use AI tools. So select that. And then we're going to have to click on this one right here. Now here you have some examples. So this is how it's going to look like. So here we have to simply enter the prompt. And then here we have the resolution and we have different settings that we can play around with. So we have FPS, then we have strength model. Now, basically what we're gonna have to do in order to generate our video is simply click on go. So I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna remix this one here. So we have here the prompt. So simply click on go, and now all we have to do is simply wait until the AI will generate for us the video, and after that we're gonna be able to download the video and use it for our project. Now this AI tool doesn't have limitations, so you can create whatever you want, even mature content if you really want to do that. And basically it's free, so it doesn't cost anything. As you can see, we get like 50 credits for free every time we create a new account. But if you want, you can upgrade to the pro plan, as you can see right here. So this is $10 and you get a bonus of 1000 credits, which is amazing. So now we're gonna have to simply go back here. So as you can see, the video still generates. So I'm gonna get back when it's done. So here we have the results. We have the video here on the left side, and then we have the image. So that's great about this tool, that it generates you the image and the video. So now what we're gonna have to do is simply download the video and we can use it for our project. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.